Right, so you are a Muslim and you have been hearing about all these business modules and services and agencies you could provide, from dropshipping to influencer marketing, automation, agencies, designing. Honestly, this is all way too overwhelming. So in this video, I'm going to explain the only 3 halal business ideas of businesses you can start as a service without any prior experience. Now look, as a Muslim revert myself who has been running an agency for over 8 years now, I made hundreds of thousands of dollars per month with this business module, and I've been actively helping even other Muslims doing the same thing. I can guarantee you that if you just carefully watch this video, then I'm going to map out all of the things and the actual profitable services that you can start as a Muslim beginner. And fun fact, 50 to 80% of these services can be completely done with AI. So if you're a Muslim, tired of your job, you want to build something real barakah in your income, check this out. All right, bismillah. Now the first agency service is called lead generation. And what you do is you build an AI-powered outreach system that automatically finds and contacts potential clients for businesses. Might sound complex, but all you're doing is one of the things that every single business needs, and that is clients, right? Leads, potential people that they can sell their product to. So if you can use AI and set up a system for businesses that automatically searches and reaches out to potential clients, you are super valuable. Now let me tell you exactly how this works, okay? Now the first thing that you do is you look and type it up at Google, Apify. Apify is a tool that helps you to scrape targeted leads from LinkedIn, Google Maps, websites, any social media platform that you want. Apify has pre-built scrapers that allows you to just sign in to Google Maps or go to LinkedIn, and it can go scrape a bunch of leads from any social media or website or browser, whatever you want, and to scrape all of this information, okay? And only by doing that, you already have a full-on spreadsheet full of leads. The only thing that you have to do right now in this situation is you need to qualify those leads and make sure that they are actually good and that the information it's scraped is actually valid. You can use a simple tool like any mail finder, and this tool helps you to find and verifies professional email addresses to double check if they are actually legit, because you don't want to start setting up campaigns and reaching out to email addresses that are not even working, right? So this tool just kind of verifies it for you simply. And now the fun part starts, right? Because you want to kind of outreach to these leads. You want to start getting into business. So you set up a campaign for your clients. You do that inside of Instantly. Instantly is a software that sends automated, personalized cold email sequences at scale. So if you have scraped 1,000 leads, you can literally send 1,000 emails in a matter of a few hours, a few days. And that's it. Now you have a full-on working campaign. This in and of itself is already a business you can start today. Let's give you an example. Let's say you are working with a bookkeeper, okay? That is your client. A bookkeeper comes to you and he's like, I want leads. So you are going to help him. So what you do is you basically scrape the niche specific leads. For this bookkeeper, you're going to scrape all of the local businesses in his area. You basically do that with Apify. You put all of them in a spreadsheet, you verify those emails, and you start and launch a campaign for this client. Fully automated, and you deliver interesting prospects to this client. You can just make a simple email campaign where you invite them on a call and you give all of these interested leads to your bookkeeper. Now, this business in and of itself, like I said, you can charge between $1,000 to $3,000 per month on a retainer. You can do this every single month for the client and deliver clients to them by fully automated campaigns, fully run by AI. And not just with one client, you can just duplicate these campaigns and do it for multiple clients at scale, giving you an income, halal, of a couple $1,000s per month extra. And the more advanced you become, the better you become at the quality of the leads and everything, the more you can charge. My agency currently charges over $5,000 per month for these services. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. Now let's move to the second agency idea, the service you can provide. And this one is a little bit more simple. If you thought that last one was a bit too complex, then this one might be for you. This is called web designing agency. What you do is simple. You build clean professional websites for small businesses and local services. Every single business needs to be visual online. I mean, if you hear about a business, what do? You type it in on Google and you find this business to see what information they have and learn more about their services. So if a business doesn't have a website, they're screwed. So this is a big potential for you to jump in and build websites for clients. And the thing is, many businesses still have very outdated websites that don't work on mobile phone or have very old functions and are really just not working. So this is a huge untapped market where you just can jump in. Now listen, all you do over here is just pick a niche, okay? So think about what kind of businesses you would love to help. Is it gyms? Is it bookkeepers as well? Gardening services, car rentals, whatever it is. Pick one industry, type it in on Google Maps and just go through the list. Try to find a few potential clients who have a horrible website, okay? And trust me, you will find plenty. Now what you do is you quickly scan the website, you see what is wrong, you pick up the phone and you dial. You're like, hey, I watched your website, it doesn't really look good. Let me help you to build a better one. And now here comes the fun part. Did you know that there are tools like Lovable? And if you don't know about this, look it up. Lovable. It's a tool that allows you to build a full website by just giving it a simple prompt. It is kind of like talking to ChatGPT or Claude Code, and it builds an entire website. And not just a website, it is amazing. So you just find a client who is interested, you discover the needs, you describe the project, and you start working. You open up Claude, you open up Lovable, you type in exactly what the website should look like, and it makes a website that is 80% done. Then what you do is you fill in the last details, you just make sure it's all ready, and you can deliver this project in a couple hours or maybe a day. And depending on what kind of businesses you help and how deep you want to go in terms of building a good website or a digital solution for a company, you can charge easily between $500 and $2,500 per website. And like I said, my agency currently focuses on lead generation, the prior service. But I started here. I started a couple years ago with building websites, and these tools didn't exist back in the days. But if I was a complete beginner, this is where I would start, because it's super easy. And imagine if you just sell one website per day, you just dial 20 people and there's always one that wants it. If you sell one website per day times $500, you already have 15K extra per month. I know guys, young guys, Allah Mubarak, who are crushing it with this. And just work on volume, but you can also dive a bit deeper. You can make specific, more advanced websites and maybe even charge more. And it doesn't stop there. Websites, of course, you build them once, but after that, they need support, hosting, the domain, the email, everything. So what you do is you sell the website and you sell it together with a maintenance, retainer, some sort of subscription. The more websites you sell, the more you just build an ongoing cash flow where you barely have to work for. Now let's move into the third and final service, which is content, running a content agency. What you do here is simple. You create and manage short-form video content, and you manage basically the social media platforms for businesses. I mean, same thing like a website. Every single business needs to be online. They need to make content, and they know it. The only problem is they don't have the time or the skill to do it themselves. So what do? You handle everything. You do the scripting, the editing, the posting, and you just automate the process. And this is a service that companies don't just need once. They need it every single week, every single day. Because social media content, it never stops. If you post it once and then stop, you lose leads, you lose awareness. And this is very valuable for companies. Now, same thing over here. There are plenty of tools that you can use to easily edit videos, even with AI. You have tools like Opus Clips, that AI automatically cuts long-form videos into viral short-form clips. It is based on a lot of data and a lot of viral clips that have been tested, so you don't even have to do that work anymore. Opus Clips scans long-form videos and just puts it into short-form clips. Or what about Higgsfield? Higgsfield is a software that is stunning. You can create ads, visuals, very high qualitative videos, and even short form, all with AI. And you can use that together with another software to even create B-rolls and nice edits. Or what about captions? Captions are super crucial when you edit a video, right? We see it all over the place on social media. There's a tool called Captions AI, or CapCut, like a simple editing tool, where AI just transcribes the video and put very nice animations and captions over it. And that's it. You use the tools to easily edit videos. You don't need prior experience. All you need to do is sign a client, find a project, and build a content strategy. I mean, AI is changing the dynamic, changing the way we do business. The digitalization is real. You don't need a whole certificate, degree, studies of years anymore to make a very good income. Build a halal, ethical business. and put barakah in your life to have more time, freedom for your family and your loved ones. And like I said, all these three services are proven to be working because they are related and connected to the most deepest needs of any single business. I mean, every business needs leads, right? The first service that we talked about. What is a business without clients? Or what about a website? A business without a website, it will not survive. Or content, same thing. So all these three services are crucial and every single business on planet Earth needs it. Now, fun fact, there are over 300, 400 million businesses worldwide. You just have to find 5 and you will make a very, very good income for yourself. And like I said, it's not just me that did it. Also, many Muslims that I personally helped did the same thing. And of course, this comes with a little bit of complexity. You know, it's not as easy as we just described it here. I just described the foundation of it. And if you want to go a little bit of a layer deeper and you want to know how to find these clients, set up a business, launch it completely with AI, check the link here down below and I'll see you there. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless you. I'll see you in the next video. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.